sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
She was just 17. I think I was 23. People started to talk, you know what I mean. You were out of my league. I think it's still plain to see. Sometimes I still don't know what you're doing with me. You took me home, I had to meet your dad. And everybody thought he'd be mad, but he didn't care. As the years have gone by, I've had to swallow my pride. After all that I've done, you're still by my side. That's what real love is. We've got a couple of kids. Who'd have ever thought we'd end up like this? I know I write a lot of sappy shit, but I don't care. I love the way we live. Yeah, this is I need an intervention, divine intervention, you know. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past welcome me again with a smile. But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. I need a nice vacation and pure introspection. There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you. Your sadness doesn't come to the happiness that's just around the corner.